Hello, welcome to video 11 of our asynchronous class for week 6. So now you have viewed young people employing direct modeling, counting, and derived fact or number fact strategies with addition and subtraction up to 20. Now we're going to get into some really juicy and delicious work looking at strategies for multi-digit addition and subtraction. And this is where things are going to get really, really interesting. So remember our number talk from last week? Let's think about how kids might solve similar multi-digit problems. When we look at Mr. Soto's class has a box with 214 crayons in it. Mr. Soto bought 327 more crayons and put them in a box. How many crayons are in the box now? Reflect on what happened during the number talk, and because you had to do the problem in your head, you used strategies that were outside of the standard algorithm lane in most cases. And when we see these strategies manifested in young people's mathematical thinking, it's so exciting because there are lots of different nuances and young people can attack and approach these problems in different ways. And by holding space for them to solve these types of problems in ways that make sense to them, we invite them to access problems that historically they have not been able to access in the past. So as we look at the types of strategies that young people use for multi-digit addition and subtraction, we lean on the work that was done by Dr. Thomas Carpenter, Elizabeth Fenena, Megan Franke, Linda Levy, and Susan Empson in the book Children's Mathematics. This is a fundamental text for mathematics instruction, and I do hope that at some point in your teaching career, you have the opportunity to read it. I highly recommend it. So in the book, they talk about how young people use direct modeling with ones, counting with ones, direct modeling with tens, and invented algorithms. And remember, an algorithm is a series of repeated steps to help solve a problem. The standard algorithm has a series of repeated steps as well, but the problem with the standard algorithm is it can be employed without understanding, which is what the problem is a big problem. So let's continue to look at some videos. And as you watch the videos of these young people, prepare to be amazed. I want you to notice how the child solves the problem. I want you to think about the choices that the young people are making. I want you to wonder, why do you think they made that choice? And notice what the child writes or doesn't write and what kind of manipulatives they use. We're going to start with direct modeling strategies for multi-digit addition and subtraction, meaning 2 to 3 digits at this point. So you're going to watch a video with direct modeling. Again, turn the sound on, use the captions if you like, jot notes from an asset-based lens. If you want to look at the problem in front of you as you're watching the video, you can check the PDF. I have it there for you. And then you're going to watch modeling again. So 2 different types of problems, one using unifix cubes, one using base 10 blocks. After viewing these videos, you're going to head back over to the Jamboard, and these pages are flagged with blue Post-its, and I'm going to ask you to just generally note, what did you notice the young people doing in this video, in these 2 videos? All right, I hope you enjoy.